Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to get new Instagram update. For that we need to go to Play Store, click the Instagram, type the Instagram account, and if you got new update means it will show here. You just update it. I was updated yesterday only. That's why I was opening the Instagram account. If you got any update means it will show you. Thank you.